our firework. Well, we have a lot more. Bam! Fire power! Well, that is technically fire power! Bam!
Wow, that was a nice one.
And there's some
Wow,
good.
it's still going. Look at that.
Woo! Remember, if you like this video, make a like. Woo!
Wow. That was a nice one.
Mr. Crackles.
Now one of Marty's.
Oh, by the way,
Here, hold it.
no.
Just hold the candle.
I have a deadly fear of fires. No. So, what's up, people? That's the candle we use to light these babies.
Oh yeah!
Ready? We're gonna do Rose Blossom 2.0. Let me do the honor.
Uh-oh.
What?
The candles melting. Is that just the wax?
It's just wet.
Fire power, people.
Bye.
This is fire power. This is your own.
Stand back.
No, you have to put it in a flat surface. Right? Wait, which one is it?
The rose.
Woo. Alright, that one isn't so good.
Hold on.
As you see, Bachi is exhaling the smoke.
Bocce, go away!
There it goes. Stay back, Bachi.
Bam! Oh! Oh! Whoa! That's a one. Whoa!
There you go.
Ah! The smoke got in there! Which one are we doing next?
No, do one of mine.
Oh, yeah, we're doing the jewels. We're doing the jewels, people! What? Can I get a what?
And then
Hello, what's up, you wannabe people?
that's it. Go back. Go back. Go back.
No, get Bachi, get Bachi!
Well,
Wait, how come it's not going off?
like, come on, try. Try it again. Come on.
Don't run, it's gonna blow up.
No, on the top. Yeah, right at the end. There you go. Okay.
That is just starting. Oh! Whoa! Woo! Alright, people, now that is gems. As you see, this smoke is deadly.